My name is Anav Saxena. I'm a junior at Cupertino High School. I'm currently on the FRC team.
Why did you first join robotics?
I first heard of Cupertino Robotics when I was in 8th grade from my math teacher. And, during the pandemic, I was really bored. I wanted something to do, and I'd participated in first robotics before. I'd participated in FLL in 6th grade and 7th grade. And so when I heard that Cupertino Robotics offered FTC and FRC, I was really excited. I was like, hey, this could be something fun to do. This could be something I could join.
Okay, so what's a moment that you think encapsulates your experience in Cupertino Robotics?
One moment that I can think of fairly recently has been my experience working on the intake team for the FRC team. Basically, we set out to make an intake for our bot, and it was just a bunch of juniors working together, and essentially everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. And it was, and it sounds bad, but I think that's a lot about what robotics is that you set out to do things, but then, things don't happen the way you expect. But you learn to deal with that, and you learn to adapt and overcome those challenges.
A mantra in robotics is being a gracious professional. What does this mean to you?
To me, being a gracious professional is learning to work with others and respect others. Not because you always agree with them, but because you recognize that, they're here for the same reasons you are, and they also have the same passions that you do. So you learn to respect other people and learn to work with other people.
What do you enjoy most about robotics?
I enjoy most working with a diverse group of people. There are a lot of really smart, really hardworking, really passionate people in robotics that I have the pleasure to work with and collaborate with, and it's just a whole vibe working with a team. And you bounce ideas back and forth, you put in your effort as a group, and you try and get something done that is better and bigger than what you could do on your own.
And lastly, how does your experience transfer to other aspirations or your future career path?
So there are two things that I get from Cupertino Robotics that will really help me in the future. First is obviously the actual knowledge part of things. I am passionate about engineering. I want to major in engineering when I go to college. So a lot of what I do on the hardware team is directly applicable to that. But also, learning to work with others, learning to lead others, learning, what are the best ways to collaborate, learning all kinds of things related to that has helped me a lot with other things, whether it's, club officer positions or working in teams and classes. And yeah, it's a lot of really good skills that you learn being in Cupertino Robotics that, are really applicable to a lot of different aspects of your life.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.